during this time together, we'll look at how do we balance that? How do we take a look at our continuous improvement plan for 2021 and think about how do we align our critical resources and our efforts to make sure that we're focusing on both? How do we align that work to the urgent needs of the organization, as well as how can we assess our organizations as a whole to determine what gaps we have in our improvement culture so that we can determine the important development needs. And in the end, how do we combine this and balance those two priorities? So we'll take a look at that during our time together. So please join me for aligning improvement with our organization strategy. Thanks.